Hey guys, it's Brett from Crow Hollow Woodworks. Today we're going to try to ebonize some wood.
Ebonizing, or iron staining, is the result of a reaction between iron oxide and the natural tannins of the wood. This chemically changes the color of the wood, creating a beautiful, durable finish. The materials needed are extra fine steel wool, 1 quart glass jar, 1 quart white vinegar, 1 coffee filter and funnel, gloves, a small jar, a sponge brush, and of course your wood. And you'll also need some black tea. Begin by thoroughly washing your steel wool with soap and water to remove any residual oil or grease that may have came during manufacturing. Add the clean steel wool to the jar and pour over the white vinegar. A small hole in the lid allows gases to escape during the reaction. Under warm conditions, your solution should be ready in about a week. Using a coffee filter and a funnel, filter the iron acetate solution to remove any remaining solids. This will leave a clean solution that's ready to be applied. Prep your wood by sanding it up to 220 grit. Any higher grit and you risk burnishing the wood, which could prevent the solution from penetrating the fibers. Use a sponge brush to apply the solution to your piece. Be sure to apply an even coating and dab off any spots where it may pool. If applying more than one coat, use 220 grit sandpaper again between each coat to smooth out the surface and help fill in the grain. This will also help with the darkening process. By adding extra tannins to the wood, you can create a darker finish because there are more tannins for the iron acetate to react with. To do this, apply a coat of black tea solution initially before the first round of iron acetate, and again between each successive coats after sanding. As you can see here on my large test board, the iron acetate reacts quickly with the black tea to create a dramatic color shift. The results on the test board show how following this process, including the black tea step, creates a beautiful black finish.
To round it up, you've got untreated red oak with 1 coat of iron acetate. As you can see, still a lot of pores available, not very dark. Red oak with 2 coats of iron acetate. With the successive sanding, some of the pores are starting to fill in. Red oak with 3 coats of iron acetate. Again, most of the pores are starting to fill in at this point. And then we've got red oak with 3 coats of iron acetate with a black tea treatment between each coat. As you can see, that step gets you much darker than just plain iron acetate. And then our compare and contrast board that was treated the same way. 3 coats of iron acetate with black tea treatment in between each one.
I hope this video gives you a few options for a simple, cost-effective way to get a durable black finish on your woodworking projects. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for more woodworking tips.